For this second-gen model, we'll start by fixing the awning. As you can see, there's quite a bit of damage. There are tears and scuffs, so we'll apply large patches to cover the affected areas. We'll decide on the shape, but these patches will cover most of the damage. The goal is to make them look like structural elements rather than obvious repairs. Next, we'll restore the window opening. It's come unglued, the glass has fallen out, which is common for Audis of this age. We'll fix the opening and reglue the glass. We'll also service the non-working plastic hatch and its mechanism. Now we're doing a partial paint job on the awning. So we've repaired the awning, replaced the entire back section, and applied large patches. The new fabric matches the original awning's look. Against the new parts, it's faded and worn, so we'll paint this old part now. We'll restore color freshness and saturation for a more uniform look. After painting and drying, let's take a detailed look at the whole thing. It looks much fresher now. We'll apply a water repellent to protect from moisture and dirt. The car's ready, the awning's done, tank repaired, and maintenance complete. Now the awning looks like this. We replaced the back segment entirely, glued the glass, and fixed the damage with a large patch. Here's how it looks. All the material is carefully matched, and this middle part is painted to reduce the contrast between the new fresh fabric and the old. Now it looks like this. The patch is designed to look like a structural element of the awning, not like a patched up blanket. In tough cases, we can make a completely new awning if you have specific requests or issues with the factory awning.